Hi guys, welcome back to Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we are doing the last system test on this video. On the system, I meant to say. A couple of things to note, if you take this lock off, I already disconnected the siren, turned off the siren, the power's still on. Put this lock up here. If I grab the keys, sorry for the weird camera angle. The battery has been disconnected. The internet's still connected, but it's all good. The pulse I apologize. I apologize about that. I dropped my keys there, but anyways, the pulse station's still connected because we still needed to do this final system test, and then we're gonna be powering down this system for the last time. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. So now it's technically going off even though the siren is disconnected. Everything's reset to factory default. So we're gonna punch in the pin real quick. So now it says file in zone 1, and that zone 1 is open. So I can grab my keys here, grab our pulse station key, reset it. There you go. And now we have to reset the system. So we have to on the system and then this on the system, and that's how you reset it. So alright, and that was the final fire alarm system test. Wait for that to reset. And now we're gonna shut it down for the very last time. So we're gonna go here. This is our AC disconnect switch. So watch this keypad. See, it's displaying the time right now. The minute I flip off the switch, the time should turn off. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. And see, it's finally done. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, all my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you!